How to set the water hardness level on Kärcher SC3 steam cleaner. So the first step is finding your local water hardness. So before changing the settings, find out the hardness of your tap water. You can get this information from your local water supplier, your municipality website, your home water hardness test kit. The SC3 supports four water hardness levels, level 1 being soft, level 2 being medium, level 3 hard, and level 4 being very hard. You can see it here. Now, just make sure the machine is actually switched off before you engage this movement. Ensure the Kärcher SC3 is switched off before you enter the water hardness setting mode. The discalcification cartridge should already be installed in the machine before you begin. So make sure you turn it off and then install the Kärcher. And once that happens, just enter the water hardness setup mode. So press and hold on the on or off button for about 6 seconds. That would turn on the water hardness mode. Then the decalcification cartridge indicator will begin flashing. It would begin flashing here. The number of flashes shows the current selected water hardness level. One flash being level 1, two flashes, level 2, 3, level 3, and four flashes being level 4. Now, after that, just go ahead and select the correct water hardness by using the steam volume buttons to change your settings. So you can use the steam volume buttons to change your settings. Press the reduce steam button to move to a lower hardness level, and press the maximum steam button to go to a higher hardness level. The indicator light will flash to show the selected level, and repeat until the correct settings is being displayed. And then just go ahead and save your settings and simply start cleaning.